Making AI generated content unique is the kind of elephant in the room, guys, isn't it? So if you're anything like me, you go to Google, you go to YouTube, you type in the subject, and you get a plethora of data and content. And it's all basically what I call bubblegum content. It's the same data, it's the same message coming at you. So how do we actually make our data, our AI generated data, unique? Well, I think the answer, I've just alluded to the answer there, guys. What we need to do is take a particular perspective on a stance, a worldview, as it were, and then all of the data that our tools develop, then we use that particular perspective to offer opinion and comment on that data. Let me show you what I mean, guys. So I was just developing some data before regards of parental concerns with AI, etc. So ChatGPT generated a list, phrase generated nearly 6,000 word article. Oh my goodness. And Crawl generated some points. All you got to do, guys, is go to these points, deal with them one by one. Okay. So you don't need to be developing 6,000 word articles to answer these type of concerns and these whatever subject you're dealing with, whatever topic. Then all you need to do is look at the key points and offer your own perspective on it, guys. Will you appeal to everybody? No, you won't. Is this different from niching down? Yes, it is, because one, you're going to get your own tribe because you are going to niche down, but also by niching down and using a particular worldview to analyze the data that the AI spits out and offer opinions, you'll resonate with a particular segment of that audience and you'll be able to develop a relationship with them, whether it's YouTube, podcasts, maybe less so with long form written content. But I think most of us see where the market is going with regard to content. Anyway, guys, that's my perspective. It's what I've been using for the last 3 or 4 months. It's working very well. If you've got any comments about this, then just leave them below and I'll get back to you. And I'll probably put all of this, the method that I use, into a mind map, and I'll pop it in or explain it in future videos. So subscribe if you can, guys, if you don't want to miss that. And yeah, move forward with your own particular worldview that will attract people to your authenticity and your perspective. Anyway, guys, hope that helps. Take care and I'll speak to you later. Bye-bye.